Good morning, good afternoon, my friends all over the world. Today, I would like to show you how to kick in Shaolin 13 Paws. So I will take example of the snake's movement. So when I kick, I will usually I will sit like this. I will stand up quickly and kick forward. I will use the tiptoe to kick. So when we can try to train it like this way, without the movement of hands. This is from the back. So the foot that I will use to kick front, I will put to the back or to the front. To the front also. It's not hard to kick. Just when we need to get the power from the ground, we will put power to the ground, get an opposite power to our body, and then I will use this power to attack forward. So let's see. So it's so easy. I can also use from the back. Like this. So my right leg will be to the back. So my right leg will be to the front. Okay, now I will perform the dragon and the snake's movement, the whole movement, and I will stop recording. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.